Tyroin. I did ride him. I'm finished, but he was a bit frisky, and now he's doing okay. Sometimes they ride on him here, and sometimes they have him in front of the carrots in pair, or maybe also single, I don't know. And now I thought I'm going to ride. And Tyroin is often running with them. Who is who? Adse en Auke en Sjors. They are a lot together with the four of them. Perfect. And Ryan told me Tyroin is playing with the other colts just like with Reisi. So he's a bit of a stallion. Hello? Come. Hey Dolly. Hello. Dolly and I think this is Focaline. Hey. So they are sisters because they have the same sire, Martinez. And they are also family because of Rijntje. Rijntje is the dam of Dolly. And Rijntje is the dam of Reina. And Reina is dam of Focaline. So, all family. Johnny en Sylvester. Hey. Auke. There's Adse en Sjors. Oh, kom eens. And some horses already are in the pasture. Finally. So I think Hester, Sanne, Mathilde, Vera, or Tjerkje. Oh, but there are 4. I don't know yet. Tyroin. Finished. This is Sanne. Hey, you are inside. Hey. I think because Andrea ride them. And this is Senna and Yvonne. Yes, I think so. Hey, goed zo. En Elske en Fanatiek. Oh, hello, sorry. Hey. En Tekla. Hey. Sally, Rijntje en Reina. Good morning. I was in the pasture to look if the horses can go out, but it's a bit wet. But maybe Rijntje and Sally acting normal? I don't know yet. The first poles are in the ground. Yay. I just do it. I make a wire and hopefully it stays a bit dry because it's raining now a little bit. And yeah, maybe the horses can go out later, but I'm not for sure yet. Yay. Now it's fun making a wire, but in a while I don't like it anymore. But I love horses. Okay, I made a wire over here and this one in the middle and over there. So there are 2 pastures here right now. I think that's it for now. Okay, the weather is changing. It was very windy, but now not. Strange. But there's rain coming, so no pasture. And I don't have a lot of time, so I thought I'm going to ride, and after that I have to go. So, sorry. I'm going to ride Reina. I think riding in the rain. Okay, now it's raining and the sun is coming, so that's good. But yeah, it's wet and I have a bit strange colors together. But hey, I don't mind. Okay, we're finished. Hey Yveske. That's Boukje and over there Blomke. And there's Bella. But we have to stop now because I have to go. I'm a bit in a hurry. And I'm back. And I was in a pasture and I think they can go out. Yes?